Hello YouTubers, just doing a little video. Don't know how to really do all this, but did a muffler swap on a F150 2020 with the 5 liter, and I'm going to try to walk you through the video a little bit, and maybe it'll help you. So I wound up doing a muffler swap, and it was still quiet. It used to have this tailpipe which was sticking out there, which I didn't like. I put it to that tail straight out the back, but I wound up getting a drone around 1600. I used to have a drone at 1800, so I'm going to do one of these J pipes or quarter wave resonators, and I'm going to leave it so I can tune it. Calculations came out 37.6, watching a bunch of videos, but I'm going to do it like a trombone. This is just right there, flashing with 2 hose clamps. That's 2 1/4 in the back, 2 1/2 right there, and it'll be able to slide in and out, total like 2 feet. So where I'm supposed to be, I can go. That's just showing a cap. It's 2 1/4 inch capped off. I can go
F150.
I'm going to stop here.
This thing cannot be doing much. 14 inches. Listen to this thing. It's freaking empty. It's got holes in it, but it rings like a damn bell. We'll have to see.
So I took out the resonator, which was that, shooting towards the front. Then I'm filming going to the back. Don't mind the welds, but there's your quarter wave resonator, shooting back to the Magnaflo, 18 inch by 6 round. There's the flashing with the hose clamps and the 2 1/4 inch capped off piece. And then the main tube is 2 1/2. And it totally worked. I went for a drive. It was pretty much perfect. Then I slipped out the tube about a foot, make it longer to try it. It got worse. Still good, but worse. Then I shoved it in another 10 inches. So it was like, say, 30. I was 37.6. So let's just say 27.6. And it got better. So I'm glad I didn't make it to the 37.6. I'm going to weld it up tomorrow at 27.6. And it's 2 1/2 inch tube going into a 3 inch Magnaflo. And 2 1/2 inch pipe with the slip fit at 2 1/4. And that's it. It totally got rid of the drone. And that's it. Hopefully it works for you guys. Take care.